Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is V, and in today's video, we are going to unbox not one, but two Boxycharms that I received in the mail. I wasn't fast enough to record last month's Boxycharm for May before the June box came in. So I was like, you know what? Let me just film unboxings for both at the same time. Hello, the more the merrier. So if you want to see what is in these fun little boxes, keep on watching. All right, so you know how excited I am when I get my little Boxycharm boxes. If you didn't watch my last video on Boxycharm unboxing, I will link that video down below. But as you guys know, I get so excited when these fun little boxes come in the mail because I totally forget about them, and then I hear a knock at the door and it's the mail guy with my little Boxycharm that I totally forgot about, and I'm like, oh my god, it's like a little present every month. So today we are going to unbox two boxes, one for May and one for June. So we will start with the May box. I have no idea what's in these boxes. I actually had a client who was trying to tell me what she got in her box, and I was like, don't tell me because I want to be surprised when this video gets filmed. I don't want to know what's in the box. Like, what is Boxycharm? So Boxycharm is a monthly subscription that you can sign up for on their website at boxycharm.com, I believe. I'll make sure to link that down below as well. You just pay 20 bucks a month and they literally give you a box full of full-size products. Not little tiny deluxe samples, I mean full-sized products. So sometimes you can get like upwards to $200 worth of products in one box that you paid only $20 for.
I ain't got 20 bucks!
So right now, let's start with the May box. The May box is actually a little smaller than the June box. Let's open her up. So, like I said, it has like a little Boxycharm. There's their little hashtag so you can like check her out on any of those social media outlets. And let's see here, what do we have here? So like I said, they always have like some kind of a theme going on. So inside this box, it says, I get this little pamphlet here that says Boxy Bash. So it gives you a little list of what's in the box. Every month they also give you coupon codes to different websites, like cosmetic websites. And this month you get 20% off on Cover FX and Pure Cosmetics, 15% off there. So let us dig in and see what we got. So I didn't wear lipstick purposely because they usually send a lip product and I like to try it out for everyone so we can talk about it. Okay, so we have the Cover FX Blurring Primer. Oh my god, this is a full-size primer. It is 1 fluid ounce, which is a full-size primer. And here it says, the Cover FX Blurring Primer is a lightweight, soft focus primer that blurs the appearance of pores, fine lines, and other imperfections, creating a smooth canvas for flawless foundation application. And this puppy is retailed for $38. What? See what I mean? This is why I like Boxycharm, because you get full-size products that are worth like 40 bucks in one. And this is just the first thing, honey. First thing. So yes, I'm assuming if you've ever used a blurring primer, what blurring primers do, they tend to be a bit thicker than regular primers. They tend to be a little bit more powdery. And I know Smashbox has one and Benefit has really a popular one called Professional. But what it does is you really use it to kind of target certain areas of the face. Ideally, you don't want to use it all over the face because they do tend to be thicker and more mattifying than regular primers. So I like to use blurring primers in conjunction with like a regular primer. So I'll do like a regular primer all over, and then I'll use a blurring primer in areas where you have more texture or you have like larger pores. Unless you are like super oily or you have a lot of texture on your face, then I guess you can put it all over your face, but you try not to because it is such a thick kind of primer. They tend to be pasty in texture. I'm definitely going to be using that, which is a really good product. Let us see what else do we have in here. Oh, so we have a brush, guys. Let me open her. It's kind of messed up though. See, it kind of got squished. It's a little wonky. It got smashed. But I like the shape. And usually shapes like this are really good for bronzing, for contouring, because they're like little eggs. And I know I have a MAC brush that's very similar, and it kind of comes to a point. So it's like a powder brush, but it's like an egg, and it has like somewhat of a point to it. So you can really reach into like more specific areas under the cheekbone, underneath the jawline, around the perimeter of the face. So these brushes are really, really good for bronzing, for contouring, things of that nature. So the company that makes this brush is called AESTHETICA, and this is the P12 face brush. It's a synthetic fiber that allows for maximum control. The P12 face brush is perfect for creating a seamless look. The retail price for this brush is $27. See, I love it. And it's a good brush. I'll just wash it. If you want to get kinks out like this, just wash them, put like a ton of conditioner in them, and when they're wet, you kind of form them and kind of like squish them around until it's at the ideal shape, and then just leave them to dry, and they should be okay. And after time, it's going to move and start to fall into place. Already, like the more I mess with it, it's kind of going back into place. But it feels really good. The bristles are super soft, and I'm really impressed. Hello, $27 brush and my little $20 Boxycharm. Hello, sign me up. Oh, and there's more brushes. See, I have so many brushes from these Boxycharms, which is good because I can never have too many brushes. So these brushes are, again, by Aesthetica. It's a 3-piece eye trio. So it comes with an angled eyeliner brush, a brow spoolie, and a fine-tipped eyeliner brush. A convenient 3-in-1 used for a wide variety of looks, from a subtle wing to a dramatic cat eye. Use the brow brush for fuller, more defined brows. $45. $45 for these 3 little brushes I can. And this is what I mean. This is why I love it. So yeah, spoolie is just for like the brows. You can use it to kind of like remove any clumps or anything from the mascara, but this is always nice to have as a makeup artist. We have a good angled brush. It's a good angled brush. It's a little thick. I tend to like really thin angled brushes for my brows, but this might be good for like a liner or whatever, like a detail brush. You can like use it to like clean up underneath here, but I can never have too many of those. And then this guy is a girl, she is stuck. Okay, so we have a little liner brush, and that is a really fine tip liner. So you have a good fine tip liner. I'm not sure if it's supposed to be bent like that, but that's fine because usually when liner brushes have like a little bend to it, see how it has a bend to it? Those are actually better for doing eyeliner because it really like reaches. You have a good angle to get like a good like line and a good wing. But just looking at this, it looks like a really good liner brush. But I will definitely let you guys know how these brushes work, and I'm impressed because they look like good quality brushes. They feel, the bristles are definitely synthetic, but they feel like good synthetic. You know, they're not like cheapy, gross, drugstore kind of brushes. They actually feel really good. Okay, so the next product is a gloss. So this is a matte lip gloss. Okay. I'm assuming it's a liquid lipstick, but this is the packaging here. And the matte lip gloss is by Beauty Creations. It's a liquid lip gloss. Beauty Creations matte liquid lip gloss is specifically formulated to provide full coverage that dries to a seamless, smooth, matte finish. Its lightweight application is long-wearing for an effortless lip color that complements all skin tones. All right, let's see, because I want to put her on right now and give you a on-the-spot first impression. Okay, so she's kind of like a peachy rose kind of color here. But let's see how she looks on. This is why I don't wear lip products when I do these things, because they always come with some type of lipstick or lip gloss. Has like a fruity candy smell. Kind of smells like candy. It smells like candy. It's a very specific candy though. I can't think of the candy, but it definitely has a candy scent to it. Oh. Pigmentation's good. It has a thin kind of formula to it, like paint. Kind of reminds me of the Kylie liquid lips. Okay, so I had to put it on like several times because it did kind of come off streaky. The color's alright. It's not like a color that I usually wear on the regular. It's too pink for me. Maybe it's because I'm wearing it with this eye look. This is just my eye look. Ugh. This is my eye look that I had on today for at work. It's alright. It's cute. I mean, I don't know if I'll wear it that often. It has that very synthetic-y scent though to it. It has like a very synthetic kind of candy scent to it. But it's alright, it's good. How does my makeup look? Because I actually had to redo my makeup, well, just my foundation, because child, I was like wearing this thick ass foundation to work. It is late today. It's like almost midnight while I'm filming this, so hence why my hair looks a little disheveled, because I worked a full shift today and I went out to dinner and did all this stuff, so my makeup was like a hot mess. It was just, I was like, I cannot go on camera with this foundation on, so I had to wipe her off. I just kind of kept the eyes and the brows on and the lashes and stuff, and I just wiped everything else off and just redid my foundation. So I looked fresh for you guys. But yeah, all right, so anywho, so the next thing in this box is, I have this here. This is the Pretty Vulgar liner, which I've heard so many good things about this. So this is called the Pretty Vulgar Ink Gel Liner. This highly pigmented gel eyeliner provides quick drying application with enriched vitamin C to condition the lids. Its creamy and water-resistant formula allows for smooth application that stays in place all day. So I love that they gave you a liquid liner or a gel liner with a brush, so that really helps. It's really cute. It's like a little ink container. Oh girl, she's deep in there. This is a really deep jar. It's like there's at least an inch from the top to the actual product. But anywho, ooh, it's like really soft. Here, I want you to see it. Let's try her on and see how it looks. It feels really nice. It's very smooth. I like this brush. It really goes on very nicely. I like it. When I'm dipping the brush, it like literally is right here. Like the product is like right here. So you have to like dip the brush like really far down. Like you can't even see like inside. It's weird. I don't know if I like this packaging. So this liner retails for $24. Such a good deal. Such a good deal. And I think there's one more thing in there, hidden away, wrapped up in the packaging, and it is a palette of some sort. Came in like a little bubble wrap. And this palette here says it's from Pure. It's a sculptor palette. It's a 4-shade sculpting palette that features 2 high beam highlighters and 2 matte contour shades that will leave skin sculpted to perfection with highly pigmented and buttery formulas. Nice. Oh, and then this retails for $30. So let me open this. I got some scissors to open her up because I'm not trying to break my nail right now, okay? Girl, they put some heavy duty tape in this bitch. Heavy duty tape. Ooh, those are kind of dark. So these are the colors here. So I see it has like 2 contour shades and then 2 highlighting shades. So let's put her on and see how it looks. We'll use the wonky brush. And I guess that's why they gave us this brush, so that we can use this guy. So the dark one looks too dark, so I will do the lighter of the 2. Ooh, these are dark. Girl. I might have to use these as eyeshadows because they are almost too dark, girl. I mean, my cheekbones are popping though. But see, this is why these kind of brushes are so good, because you can really fit it right there. And I'm like tapping, like I'm tapping. And then right here, my temples. It definitely contoured me. It's a little dark for my liking. I mean, I can make it work if you go in a little light-handed. And I'd probably put this on first and then put like a bronzer over it to kind of like soften it more. Okay, that's kind of cute. And then now let's try one of the highlighters. Let's do the lighter of the 2. I already have a highlighter on, but just want to see how it goes on. It's nice. It's not the best highlighter, but it does the job. Okay. Cute, I'm not mad. So this palette retails for $30. So how much is this? Hold box worth? Let us see, let us see. Let me add it up on my little phone here. $174. See what I mean? What a good deal, isn't that fun? Totally, I think it's a really good value. Once again, for all these products, we have a primer, we have a full-size contouring palette with highlighters, a full-size liquid lipstick, we have a full-size liner, and then we got 4 brushes. What? And they're nice brushes. I'm actually gonna use these brushes, so really good value.